everyone, it's Mari. I'm so excited to be here for the Not2Shabby Shop's March release of their exclusive stamp sets. They are so adorable. And the one that I'm going to be working with today is Spring is in the Air. It's just the sweetest little stamp set. I love the little images and sentiments in this set. And I'm going to be working with this little stamp set today to create a little scene card. So I'm going to stamp out my little images here on some Neenah Solar White cardstock in 80 pound using my Misty and some Memento Tuxedo black ink. I am going to be doing some Copic marker work here today with my images, so I'm using that Copic friendly ink. Now I've stamped those images out on my cardstock, and now I'm going to stamp them again on a piece of Eclipse masking paper. And so this is a paper that's kind of like a post-it note. It's got a little bit of sticky, but it's not really sticky, just enough so that it'll adhere down to wherever it is that you want it to stick. So I fussy cut those images out, and now I've placed them over top of the stamped images on my cardstock. And I'm going to do some ink blending for my scene here. I'm going to do some tumble glass ink blending for my sky and mowed lawn for my grass. Now for the sky, I'm also going to be using the Lawn Fawn cloud stencil to do a little bit of cloud blending on the top part of the card. And then I'm also going to be covering up some of that area with some really stormy rain clouds. So there I've just removed my post-it tape that I had to kind of mask off my grass area when I was doing the sky. And now I've just taken it off and positioned it over the sky area so that I can get that blending on with my mowed grass for the grass. Now I'm just going to take my Distress water spritzer and I'm going to spritz the little scene with some water here and pick up the excess with some paper towel. And that's just going to kind of make it almost look like little water droplets are falling. Now, I'm also going to take some Neenah cardstock and I'm going to blend on some hickory smoke and some stormy sky. And then I'm going to take a couple of die clouds from Honeybee Stamps and I'm going to cut out a couple of cloud images to create my little stormy clouds for my project. So I've got my hickory smoke down. Now I'm going to go in with a different picket fence blending brush and I'm going to blend on my stormy sky. I just love these picket fence blending brushes for ink blending. It just creates such a really smooth blend so easily. And I really love how this turns out. I like how it just really does look like stormy clouds. And I'm just going to spritz this as well with my Distress bottle and just get that kind of all looking like it's got water droplets in it as well. And then I'll take my little cloud dies and run them through my Big Shot. And then here's my little clouds. Now I'm just going to take a little blender, a little foam blender tool, and I'm going to blend on some of that tumbled glass around the edges of the clouds just so that they blend in with my sky a little bit as well. And I just wanted to create this impression that these little critters are just out having fun in the rain with their pretty little umbrellas. And I just wanted to add that little watering can and the little umbrella holder just as extra little pieces for my scene. Now, if you want to pause right now on the video, you can see all the colors of Copic markers I used to color my little images. So once I revealed my little images with my masks there, I took those masks off. Then I just colored those up with my Copic markers. Now I'm just going to glue down with just some liquid adhesive and some foam adhesive my cloud images here, my cloud die cuts, and I'm just going to position these around my scene here to make it look like these guys were just out having a great day, and then all of a sudden the storm came up and they ran and grabbed their boots and their umbrella, and now they're just having fun in the rain. So I've popped my card front up on a piece of Lawn Fawn patterned paper. This is their new 6x6 patterned paper for spring pad, and I'm going to show that at the end. Now, I really wanted a generic sentiment here, so I went with the hello sentiment, and I love it when there's a sentiment in a stamp set that really can be used for anything. So I just stamped out hello in that VersaFine Nocturne, VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, and now I'm just going to go in with a bunch of other little products here to embellish. So I'm going to start off with my Nuvo shimmer pen. I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer and shine to the little umbrellas. Then I'm going to use some Nuvo glaze to add some dimension to the little beak of the little chick and the little nose of my sweet little bunny here. And just adding these products in to just create a little bit more interest and detail in the card. And the stickles that I'm using is, I believe it's the diamond stickles. So it's really shimmery and shiny. And I add that to the centers of my flowers in the watering can, and a few other little areas like the tops of their little rubber boots and so on. And I just think that just adds some really sweet detail. Now I adhered this whole card front onto a white card base, and so this is going to be a landscape top folding card. I really like how this turned out. It's got such a spring feel to it, and this Spring is in the Air stamp set from the Not2Shabby shop is absolutely adorable. Now we are having a hop today, so make sure you check the description box to see who you hop to the next in this video hop. And we've got lots of fun things happening as part of the hop, so make sure you check out the description box below for all of the details for this March release video hop here for the Not2Shabby shop. And I just love all of these new exclusive releases from Not2Shabby and Jamie over at the Not2Shabby shop for March. They're absolutely adorable. There's that Lawn Fawn pad that I used for my yellow paper. I just wanted to show you that. And that's going to be it for me today. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope to see you again here on my channel. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.